Richard, Dah Lih are always bringing out new machines. It is great to see such a huge portfolio. What's new here that we've got at TIMTOS?
This is the MCH 630, and we've got a large number of these machines in the UK.
The machines that you have sold in the UK from Ward High Tech, where traditionally have they gone? What people machine?
Heavy metal cutting industry, not light machining like aluminium.
That would indicate to me then that this is a BT50 machine, is it?
Yeah, BBT 50 standard now on our machine, but this model has been upgraded from being 24 metres a minute in rapid in X and Y now to 40 metres a minute. The pallet change has been improved. It's a servo-driven pallet change.
So does that mean it's faster generally too?
Yeah, faster pallet change time.
So although the machine's inherently got power with it, they're now looking at the speed of it too.
That's right. Trying to make it faster for all-round machining.
You're driven here by the Fanuc control. Is this the only one they offer on this particular series?
No, we can have Fanuc 31i, or we can have the standard Fanuc OIMF.
Okay, and I noticed with this machine it's quite big. Is that down to its construction? Or they put a lot of time into making this a heavier machine?
Yeah, a little bit like that, but also this machine's quite a unique design in as much as it's a table moving machine as opposed to a column moving machine. And what that means is that in certain cases we can fit a very big part on the table. We've got experience of putting a part 1200 millimeters long on a 630 pallet. It's like a regular shape, I imagine like a tube, and then we can pallet change it inside the machine and then move the Z-axis so it's clear of the center post. Then we can index the table and do a lot of very interesting machining.
So it's faster, it's also giving you a bit more working envelope opportunity as well.
Right, yeah, very innovative.
So when will this machine or the similar, not maybe this one, but this model be coming to the UK to Ward High Tech?
As soon as you order one.
Great stuff. Available from Ward High Tech in Sheffield now, this Dah Lih brand new machine, 630 pallet horizontal. Thank you, Richard.
Okay, thank you.